The freedom clock is ticking. What if retirement wasn't something that happens when you're old and tired, but something you could design while you're still full of energy? Today I am breaking down a radically different financial blueprint, one built for speed, discipline, and total life control. This is not theory. It's a structured system that turns ordinary income into long-term freedom if you follow it with consistency. Reframing retirement, it's not an exit, it's autonomy. Most people imagine retirement as an escape from work. I see it differently, as the moment when money stops dictating your schedule. Some people travel the world, others build companies or teach online. The real goal is choice. Financial independence is simply the power to wake up and decide how your day unfolds. My starting point: no capital, only obsession with learning. I didn't start with savings or wealthy connections. What I did have was an intense curiosity about personal finance and a habit of tracking every dollar. Instead of racing motorcycles like some people imagine entrepreneurs do, my real obsession was experimenting with budgeting apps, spreadsheets, and small online side projects that slowly taught me how money actually moves. Step 1. Define your freedom target. Before you earn more, invest, or build businesses, you need a clear number, the annual income you want without working. Without that target, you're navigating finances like a pilot without coordinates. A clear financial destination turns vague ambition into measurable progress. 3 financial personalities: drifters, wishers, builders. I've noticed 3 patterns in how people approach money. Drifters avoid planning and simply react to bills. Wishers talk about goals but never commit to action. Builders define targets and execute structured plans every week. The difference is not intelligence, it's behavior and consistency. Turning lifestyle into a number. One practical method is multiplying your desired annual expenses by 25. If you want $40,000 a year, your long-term investment target becomes about $1 million. The logic is simple. Withdrawing roughly 4% annually allows your portfolio to keep growing while supporting your lifestyle. Early mindset: prioritize asset growth over immediate cash. At the beginning, your main focus is not lifestyle upgrades, it's asset accumulation. Reinvesting income accelerates compounding and builds momentum. Chasing high monthly payouts too early often leads to higher taxes and inflated spending habits that slow long-term growth. Step 2. Build your financial base like an engineer. Think of your finances like constructing a bridge. If the base is weak, everything collapses during stress. A strong foundation gives you stability when markets drop, income changes, or unexpected expenses appear. Foundation, Part 1. Eliminate high-interest debt first. Not all debt is equal. High-interest consumer debt drains progress and blocks investing. Focus on paying off the most expensive interest rates first, using structured repayment strategies. Low-interest debt tied to income-producing assets can sometimes be useful, but consumer debt is usually a wealth killer. Foundation, Part 2. Build a real emergency buffer. Unexpected expenses are guaranteed: medical bills, broken tech, sudden travel. Without an emergency fund, you'll be forced to sell investments at the worst time. 3 to 6 months of expenses in liquid savings protects your long-term strategy. Foundation, Part 3. Strengthen your financial reputation. Your credit profile is a long-term financial passport. Responsible use of small credit lines, paid in full every month, builds trust with lenders. A strong financial reputation opens doors to future opportunities like property or business financing. Foundation, Part 4. Reduce taxes legally and strategically. Taxes silently slow wealth creation. Using tax-advantaged accounts and understanding local investment rules helps you keep more of what you earn. Even small optimizations compound into major savings over decades. Step 3. Expand income streams for stability. Relying on one paycheck is like balancing on a single leg. Multiple income sources create resilience. If one stream slows down, others keep you stable. Diversification is not only for investments, it's essential for income too. Choosing side projects based on skills and interest. Start with what you already know or enjoy. Teaching online, digital services, freelancing, small e-commerce brands, local services, all can evolve into scalable income streams. Passion increases consistency, and consistency builds profitable expertise. Step 4. Transition towards semi-passive income. Active work has limits, there are only so many hours in a day. Semi-passive income comes from systems where your past effort continues generating returns. The goal is to reduce dependence on constant labor without expecting effortless money. Core investing strategy. Consistency over hype. Long-term investing in diversified assets remains one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. Many investors prefer broad market funds because they spread risk across multiple companies. Automated reinvestment keeps the compounding engine running without emotional decisions. Riskier assets, small allocation, clear limits. High-risk investments can offer growth but require discipline. Many investors allocate only a small percentage of their portfolio to speculative assets to balance potential upside with long-term stability. Risk management matters more than chasing big wins. Real estate, leveraging time and other people's money. Property investing can accelerate wealth through rental income and appreciation. Strategic use of leverage allows investors to control larger assets earlier, but it also increases risk. Careful planning, cash reserves, and realistic expectations are essential before entering this space. The truth nobody likes, this path requires real effort. There's no shortcut to financial independence. You may need years of discipline, long hours, and uncomfortable sacrifices. Obstacles are inevitable, but treating them as learning moments instead of failures keeps momentum alive. Your next step starts today. If you're serious about building freedom, instead of waiting for retirement to arrive someday, start with one action today: define your freedom number, audit your debts, or design your first side project. Like the video, subscribe for more structured financial blueprints, and watch the next episode.